In today's video, I am going to show you how to lock Instagram on Android device. It's super easy and quick. So let's get started. First of all, open your phone settings. Now scroll down and look for the app section and tap on it. Next, find and tap on app lock. At this point, you will be asked to enter your fingerprint or skin lock pattern to access the app lock settings. Once you are in, scroll through the list and look for Instagram. Now toggle the switch on next to Instagram to enable the lock. Now go back and open up Instagram app. As you can see, it now asks for your fingerprint or pattern before opening. This means Instagram is successfully locked. And that's it. You have now secured your Instagram on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.